Hello there everybody. What we're going to be doing is continuing on with our analysing of On the Sidewalk Bleeding, our little short story that we've been looking at this term. And today's lesson we will be looking at characterisation and identifying that within the text, and you'll also be learning how to answer an essay question asking about characterisation using Peel, which we have used before. Okay, so your success criteria is I can identify how characters contribute to the theme of the story, I can answer an essay question about the characters, and I can structure my answer in a paragraph using Peel. Now, just a little bit of a refresh. We did Peel paragraphs on the turning point last time, okay? So your point would have been at the start of the story, Andy feels, and then your evidence would be your quote, and then explain. You would explain how this quote backs up your point. This is when you do your analysis, and then link. That is when you link your answer back to the main question. All of you did really well with that, and a few of you who did contact me saying that you were a bit stuck. You didn't need to be stuck. You did really well, guys. You should be really pleased with yourselves. Okay. So we have our essay question at the top here. You may wish to write this down. So feel free to pause the video if you want to write this down. Okay. During the story, various characters are prejudiced towards Andy. How does the writer show this to the reader? So your point could be the writer shows how the drunk man behaved ignorantly towards Andy because he is young and almost unconscious on the ground. The evidence is your quote. Too young to be drinking anyway, should be ashamed of yourself, drunk and laying in an alley. Then you would explain by saying that Andy is too drunk to be drunk and laying, too young to be drunk and laying in an alley. The writer demonstrates the drunk man's ignorance for Andy, who is barely conscious and seriously injured. Okay. And then your link by telling the reader about the drunk man's ignorance towards Andy because of his age. The writer demonstrates the prejudice towards Andy. So that is how the writer shows prejudice, how the characters are prejudiced. For the reader there. Okay, so here's a really good example of how you could do a Peel paragraph. Okay, so I have quite a few quotes here. Okay, what you could be doing is you could do Peel paragraphs using these quotes. Okay, so we have four quotes here. So you can do a maximum of 4 Peel paragraphs. Okay. Once you have done them, what I would like you to do is to copy down this success criteria. Okay. And put a little star if you think that you have achieved it, and a little wand beside it if you think it's something that you need to work on. Okay. And then if you just take a photograph of that and send it to me. Or if you want to do it digitally, you can upload it as a PDF or a Word document. Okay. Right, guys, well done for all the work that you've done so far. If there's anything at all that I can help you with, you know that we have our FAQ session on a Friday morning. And I did speak to one of you last week, which was really good, and a few of you a week before. So you know I'm here for you if you need any help at all. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Take care, and remember, stay safe. Bye.